Today I'll be showing you what you need in your blood spill exposure kit for your state board exam. So like always, make sure that you check with your local state and make sure you have everything labeled properly as they expect per their guidelines because every state is different. So in my bag, I have bags inside of bags, but I made sure that everything was labeled. So the first thing I did was take out one of the bags, and the bag that I took out is also labeled, and it is the blood exposure kit. So once I open it up, you'll see the different things that I have in this particular bag. So inside of my bag, I have a trash bag that is to dispose of everything, of course, as well as some Band-Aids. I have some alcohol strips, the little pads. There, and some antiseptic spray. I also have some gloves in there. And then this is just the baggie. And just make sure that everything is labeled and says pre-sanitized implements. And also the cotton. That's it for mine. But like I said, please make sure you check with your local state and make sure that you have what is required for your particular state. But this is what's required in the state of Texas. But thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon.